of this room. I just want to tell you guys a little about this room. So I stay with my family. Sorry for the break in transmission, guys. Let's just take it back to where it all began. This was the day everything started. Previously, my room was painted pink, and this was like the main color. We had it painted when we came into the room, and I think today the painter had come already. He just did some screeding, and I had my mirror changed. So that was the previous place my mirror was, but I had to remove it because I wanted to change the position. I felt that the light was not reflecting directly to my face when the mirror was there, so I wanted to put it somewhere else. So basically this is just the state of my room.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Hi guys, so I actually just got a plant in case you are in Abuja. I got all of this from Jabi Art and Craft Market. So yeah, I got all of this from Jabi Art and Craft Market. This basket was for 4K. This was for 4K, and it's actually very strong because if you look inside the basket, you notice that it was made with iron, so this is very strong. Then the plant was for 1-2. Yes, the plant was 1-2, and then the vase was for 1-3. So basically both of them was for I think 2-5, then this 4K. So I'm going to put this inside this basket, and yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is how I want it to be. house, and I've been in this room for the longest time. So I had to renovate the room after a while, and I think when we grow, we want to do better with our space. And also because of the fact that I went into content creation, I felt that there was a need for me to renovate my room. So this room was meant for I and my elder sister, but then she got married and then she left, the space for me. So with time, I just wanted to do better with my space. Coupled with the fact that my brother repainted their room and it was looking all pleasing and all nice, I decided that I'm going to repaint mine too when the time is right. So you're welcome to my room. Let's go into the details. Let's start the room tour from the right hand side, and then we'll just go around and then come back to the door. So first off, I repainted my room and I made the color white because I felt white was a better color for content creation. Also, I felt that the color white would go with like everything or match with everything I wanted to do. So I felt that white would be like the best color for the room. Over here I have like these mini frames. I got these frames from AliExpress, and I'm not sure of the price, but I'll try and leave the price at the description box, so just in case you were trying to purchase it. So I think it came in like 10 pairs. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I think I have like 4 extra pairs. So I did this mini write-up myself. I used an app called Font. So if you notice, I just changed the font. The first one here says it's cool to publicly love God. Here says Matthew 6:33. Here Hebrews 12:14. Here says subscribe to my YouTube channel. The other one here says value yourself, and then the last one here says wake, pray and sleep. These are just write-up that I did, and then I went to a business center and I asked them to help me print them out. You can use like a plain A4 paper for this, or you can use like a hard paper for this. This one's right here, I use hard papers, and this one right here, I use A4 papers for them. And then you just measure the size of the frame and then ask the guy to help you reduce the size and make it exactly like this. So when you were done, you just cut them up like how I showed you before, how I did it. You just cut them up and then try and insert them inside here. Basically, you can change the picture whenever you want to. So the next thing here, over here I have my plants and my baskets. I'm sure you know how much it costs because I left them on the video before I started this whole detail thingy. So I just got this one from Jabi here in Abuja, and I tried to put the vase inside the basket, although I heard from someone that I would have got it a smaller basket so it will be able to fit in directly into the basket and it's not going to just show. But I made the mistake already, and to me it's not really bad, so I just left it like that. So over here I have my makeup things. I just try to push them one side, bring them here exactly. So when I want to film, I know that I'm just going to bring my makeup things over to this side, and then I start framing if it's a makeup tutorial video. So over there I have my dirty basket where I put my dirty clothes, and then also my box is by this side. You know, when you finish from school, you just have to bring back all your bags from school. So I have like extra bag lying around, and there are still some things inside, so it is standing over there. And over here is the bedroom. This is the door to the bedroom. My reflector, and this is how it looks, and this is like the best way I feel I can keep it, so I just drop it over here. Moving on, we have my bed space, and at the side of my bed space is my locker. This is where my clothes are. So if you notice, one side of the door is out already, so I just have one door for my cupboard, and I just try to hang like my hair bonnets and also my cap by the side of the locker and also at the back of it. Moving on, above my cupboard I have like some box on top and also some leather bag. Welcome to my bed space. So this is my bed, and over here I have my pillow. At the back of my pillow, my Bible and pen is there. So for my pillow, I have just one pillow. Not a big fan of pillows, although I appreciate when there is pillow on the bed, but I hardly sleep with pillow. If I want to sleep with a pillow, it has to be very, very flat, and I don't think we have like a flat pillow here at home, although in school I had one. So I don't think we have like a very flat pillow here at home, so I prefer to just sleep without the pillow than to use a pillow to sleep. But then I have this one here for some time when I want to rest my back. Maybe I'm seeing a movie and I'm lying down, or I want to edit and I just don't want to lie down flat, so this pillow is still here because I still need it. So right here I have have my teddy bear, the white and brown. So the white one is called Oluwatobiloba, although I'm not the one that gave the name. The name was given by a friend of mine. For short, the name is Toby. And then the brown one is called Coco, the same person that gave the other one Toby. So over here I have my blanket, over here is my curtain, and I'm sure you must have seen everything I went through with this curtain in the recap video. So this is not a real curtain, like I said, the chiffon material that I got, and this is 2 yards, and I just sold it as a curtain form. It's going to help save money, although the length is not as long as a curtain would have been, but this is still something that I can work with. So that is it for that. I don't know if I showed you guys, but above the other side of the window I have my bag hanged just beside the curtain, and I feel that this would help save space. On the other side of the curtain you could see another bag hanged inside. This is the bag I use most times when I'm going to work, to put my uniform inside, so I always leave it there for easy access. So coming down to the floor, you could see that I have like some things piled up there, things I use for my treatment, some soap that was sent to me from Clear Nature. Moving up, you will see what is on top, my mirror. This is like the only thing close to a table that is in my room, because I had to move my old table because of space. I have my serum, I have my cream, I have my oils, I have my, what is that called? I have my toner. Over there I have my brush, comb, lipstick, mascara, because I always love applying mascara before going out. And then over there I have deodorants and also perfume, body spray, and so on. Moving on to my wig stand. Initially this hanger is not supposed to be for wigs, it's supposed to be for bags. I'm going to leave in a picture on the screen so that you know what I'm talking about. I got this one from AliExpress and it was supposed to be for bags, but then when I saw it I was looking for a wig hanger or something I can use to hang my wig, and I was seeing something that I like, but then I saw this hanger and they said it's for a bag. So I looked at it, I was like, okay, I think my wig can also hang here. So I got it, and I felt they said it was for a bag because if you put a wig on it, it's not going to be straight. You'd see that the weight of the wig is more than when you put an empty bag that is not heavy, although it's still doing the job. So I really appreciate it, and I just had to keep it over here. So over here I have my shoe rack, although I'm still using it for my bag because it's causing no harm and it's doing justice to the bag. So I have my shoe rack over here, and then my bag on the first. Over here I have this frame that I got for my birthday. Moving on to the other things, over here I have my TV and I have my fan. There's a switch below where I charge my phone and then everything I want. Then below that I have my award, although the award sticker went out, I think it was not strong enough, but then I have some awards that I got from school. And just beside that I have always been where I throw trash in. I also want to show you guys something I added to the room. For now I had just this light, but I noticed that whenever I'm vlogging at night the room is also dark because this light is not quite enough. So I tried to add extra light to the room, which is this one. Even when it's late at night I can vlog. So now this is the end of our room tour video, and also there's something I did not talk about. For some other things that I cannot find an open space for in the room, I just try to put them under the bed. Maybe those things I feel I do not use often, I don't have a particular space for them, I'll just leave them under the bed, look for a space under the bed, and also a space that is accessible whenever I want to get it. So this is the end of our room tour. I hope I was able to touch everything in this room. If you have any question for me concerning this room tour, please leave that in the comment section down below and I will definitely give an answer to that. If this is the first time you're stopping by, please hit the subscription button down below and join this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for stopping by again. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Let it